You booked the back office assessment and you've received your custom action plan. Well, now what? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today, because the next steps are critical to you stabilizing your back office operations so that you can strategically grow your business. Welcome to the Mind Your Time podcast with Shannon Baker. I'm your coffee-loving host and the founder of the Mighty Society. As a business strategist, I work with purpose-driven women looking to achieve personal and financial success, but they're struggling with organization and time management. Together, we're going to tackle those challenges head on so you can regain control of your business and your time. We're going to explore the strategies and tools you need to make your business more efficient so you can achieve sustainable growth while creating a more fulfilling business and personal life, while achieving personal satisfaction and improving your overall well-being. Being busy is not a badge of honor, so get ready to be more intentional with your time and create success on your own terms. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive into today's topic. Welcome to this week's episode of the Mind Your Time podcast. Now, I don't usually say that at the beginning of an episode, but I decided to say it today because the choice you make when it comes to implementing your action plan for strategic growth, it's related to time. You have to invest time into implementing the action plan if you want results. And you get to choose how much time that is going to be because it's different based on the 3 options that I'm going to share with you today, where you can work with me to get this taken care of. I completely understand that is exhausting, overwhelming, and frankly, unsustainable for you to keep running your business without systems. But don't worry, I'm here to help you change that. My focus is on helping you build a business that allows you to create wealth, not just financially, but in other ways like maintaining your health and spending quality time with your loved ones. That's one of the reasons I created the back office assessment. But as I said in last week's episode, the assessment is just the first step. And if you haven't already listened to that episode when I walk you through the entire process of what happens when you book a back office assessment, then you definitely need to go back and listen to that one first. At least that's my recommendation. But while I have you here, I need you to understand that the action plan that you get after the assessment is completed does you no good if it's not implemented. So let's talk about the 3 options that are available to help you get this plan moving forward and making progress in your business. Because no matter which option you choose, you can rest assured that you'll have the support and guidance you need to create a more fulfilling and sustainable business and personal life. So option number 1 is a VIP intensive day. This is the perfect option for someone who wants to fast track their system creation and see immediate results. And the cost of your business assessment is applied towards the total balance of your VIP day. Now, during this intensive, we're going to work together to streamline your workflows, set up your systems, and create the necessary documentation, your standard operating procedures. By the end of that day, you're going to have what you need to run your business with ease and efficiency. Now, if you choose this option, you're going to receive a contract and a link to make the payment and schedule a 60-minute kickoff call with me. Afterwards, you get your pre-work questionnaires. And generally, it's about 4 to 6 weeks of work that needs to be done so that I get all the information and materials that are needed for the VIP intensive day to be successful. Then about 2 to 3 weeks before your intensive, we have a 45-minute strategy session where we review your pre-work and the proposed workflows that I've created for you. We're also going to go over the flow of your VIP intensive day, and then you'll need to pay any balance that's due so that you can go ahead and actually book your intensive. Now, the day of your intensive, we're going to meet for about 30 minutes to review the workflow maps and fill in any remaining gaps. And then I'm going to spend 3 to 5 hours working on your systems while you go about your day as you please. I just need you to be available via Voxer for any clarifying questions so I can continue to work on your systems. But then at the end of that day, we're going to meet for 30 minutes. I'm going to walk you through your new system. and answer any last minute questions that you have. We'll talk about any changes, edits, and corrections that need to be addressed. And then you're going to also receive customized training videos, which are yours to keep forever should you need to reference it at any time. You also get Boxer access to me for 14 days if you experience any hiccups with your new system or have any questions. And then after 30 days, we're going to have a 45-minute check-in call so that I can do a systems check and make sure everything is still working the way you want it to. Now let's talk about option number 2. This is more of a project basis. It's a more long-term approach with a minimum 3-month project. But this is a great option if you want the process to go at a slower pace so you don't get overwhelmed. But I only take 2 project clients at a time. Now, during this time, we're going to work together to ensure your processes are documented, your workflows are mapped out for efficiency, and then I'm going to create your systems from there. We'll meet regularly to make sure that everything is running smoothly and then make any necessary adjustments. And you're going to have access to me via Boxer again for questions, updates, and support during the implementation period. And as each system is created, you're going to receive one-on-one training to make sure you're comfortable with your new system. Then at the end of the project, you're going to have a fully functional back office that's going to help you run your business with ease. You also get those customized training videos, which are yours to keep forever for reference at any time. And you also receive that 45-minute check-in call with me 30 days after project completion. Now, option number 3 is self-implementation using the Mighty Society membership. And this is one of the biggest reasons I created this resource center. If you're a DIYer like me and you just want a place that you can go and get the things that you need, this is the answer for you. When you get your action plan, it's laid out in a way that you can self-implement. Now, keep in mind, it is very detailed and it identifies your list of processes that you need to focus on, and it tells you which order to make them the priority, which you can change. But I also make recommendations about tools that you can use in your workflows. So I love this option, and this is why. This is the option that Krista chose after she received her action plan. Krista is a self-starter and she just wanted the plan with the details and she wanted some accountability. Now, this is what she had to say. If you're ready to throw in the towel because your business has you so overwhelmed, you can fix that with an upgrade to your systems. And my friend Shannon Baker is just the right person to help you. Recently, Shannon assessed my business and identified the gaps in my systems, suggested tools and tech to fix them, and created a prioritized plan of action. Just going through the assessment and reviewing my custom action plan, Shannon gave me so many tips to streamline the things and make my life easier. Head over to theshannonbaker.com/assessment to schedule time with Shannon and get your action plan to plug the leaks in your operations, end quote. So if you're an action taker like Krista, then this is definitely for you. Now, when you log into the membership, there are several things that were created specific. Like there's a roadmap that identifies the systems that you need based on where you are in your entrepreneurial journey. That is also identified for you in your action plan. That takes some of the guesswork out of the process. There are also very detailed workflow diagrams, templates, and checklists that you can customize for your business. Now, when it comes to learning how to use the tech tools, there are quick video tutorials and resources to help you with this, and it's going to boost your productivity in your business. And the tools inside are limited to what I use in my tech toolbox because I didn't want it to be overwhelming. I know I personally experienced this myself when I signed up for a membership, and there were over 800 training videos. I had no idea where to start. I promise I will not do that to you. Now, some other things that you get with the membership is live masterclasses with me or an expert guest on a specific theme, which is going to spark inspiration and keep things fresh in your business. There will be hot seat coaching calls for personalized feedback, and hands-on task planning and done with you SOP creation. I'm going to include implementation weeks so that you can just take a break and get caught up on what we've been discussing. There are also exclusive members only deals and even more to come because I'm going to add features as we take this journey together based on what the members need. Now, the membership itself is hosted on the Heartbeat app, not on Facebook, and you can access Heartbeat on the web or on your mobile devices, but everything you need is in one place, which makes it easier for you to access everything with ease and without distractions. That's why I provide the customized action plan instead of blueprints. Okay, now you have the 3 options, but just like I did when I talked about the back office assessment in the previous episode, I'm going to address some things that may be holding you back from moving forward and working with me. I don't know if this is going to fit into my budget. So if you are saying that or you're thinking that, let's address the elephant in the room. When you streamline your workflows and start implementing efficient business systems, you save time and money in the long run. Not to mention you're going to increase your productivity, profitability, and your overall success. And I know everyone has a different budget. That's why the 3 options that I talked about today meet you where your budget is. Whether it's the VIP day, a 3-month minimum project, I know those are larger investments and they may be larger investments than you can make right now. But that's why the Mighty Society membership is a great option for you to help you move forward right now. And you get access to the resources that you need, including limited access to my strategic brain, but just at a more affordable price point. And if your objection is, you don't have time to do this. Well, if you're tight on time, then the VIP day option is going to give you immediate results. But I understand you may not have a day that you can dedicate to working with me. Well, then the 3-month minimum project option may be better for you, but it also requires a specific and a significant time commitment, which I know is not feasible for everyone. But we can break your project into smaller, more manageable tasks that can be completed over an extended period of time. Or alternatively, you can join the Mighty Society membership, which gives you access to the resources and tutorials that you can complete at your own pace. And then remember, like I said in the beginning, you have to make a choice and make a commitment to be intentional on how you use your time to get your systems in place. It all comes back to where you want to use your time. And if you're not sure which option works for you, then you know what? I know everyone has a different learning style. So the Mighty Society membership is great for those who like the self-paced learning approach. But if you need more personalized attention or hands-on guidance, then again, the VIP day or the 3-month project are the best option for you if it fits into your budget. And this big one for if you're a perfectionist in recovery like me, you're not comfortable letting go of control of things in your back office. I know that gremlin in your head is making it hard for you to give someone else control of something in your business. That's whether it's big or small. But I also know that you're tired of feeling like you don't have enough control over the way your business operates. It's controlling you. If you work with me, not only will you maintain control over your current systems and processes, but I'm going to equip you with the necessary tools and knowledge to implement and manage your own systems so you can take charge of your business and its operations. Plus, with my ongoing support and guidance, you're going to feel confident and empowered to efficiently run your business like a pro. Don't let a lack of control hold you back. Let's work together to take your business to the next level. So the difference between the implementation options with me comes down to how fast you want to make things happen in your business. But no matter which option you choose, my job is to make sure that you're focused on the things that are going to generate income for your business and that the systems are in place to support that growth. So no matter where you are in your journey, I recommend you start streamlining your back office right now with the assessment. So if you're ready to strategically prepare your business for growth by building systems and creating a strong business foundation, then go to theshannonbaker.com/assessment and book yours today. Now, if you still have questions that you need answered, please DM me on Instagram at @the_Shannon Baker or send me an email. Let's get them answered and get your assessment booked and get your action plan implemented. There is still time to get major systems in place before summer gets here so that you can take time off and not have to worry about missing anything while you're unplugged and enjoying your vacation. I would like to thank you for tuning in this week. But before you go, I want to remind you that just listening to this episode is not going to improve your business operations. So I challenge you to pick one thing that you're going to take action on today. If that means hopping on a call with me to get some questions answered about the Mighty Society membership, a back office assessment, or anything else that you've heard me talk about in this episode, that's okay. Or if you're not quite ready to take that step yet, then just make sure you connect with me on Instagram at @the_Shannon Baker. You can also ask your questions there, or just let me know that you enjoyed the episode by sharing it and tagging me. That's a great way for you to show the podcast some love and help me reach more small business owners who could use this type of support. I can't wait to connect with you there and to hear from you. So until next time, keep calm and streamline.